Alright guys, welcome back to the channel Into the Garden. Been doing a little more work on the pond area today. As you can see here now, we've got the bridge fully across. We've tucked the liner all the way around. Cut out the stream bed area up here. Gave a little test on that. You can still see where it is holding some water here at the top. The little bottom one there. I've replaced the bridge for now as I don't really have any anything to put over it instead at the moment. Probably going to build some sort of wooden bridges across sort of both of these here, but again for now just to kind of help press it down, make it sort of usable in some respects. Again, just wanted to kind of get all the edging in place there so I can really trim up the liner, start tucking it back and hiding it here. Now, one tip guys, whenever you're trimming down your liner, make sure you leave at least probably a foot or so that you want to tuck in so you can kind of curl it back under, things like that. Reason being, as you do get perhaps you might get some subsidence or things like that where it might sink on one side, at least you've got that extra bit of liner that you can use if it does tend to dip in any sort of areas there as the water weight compresses down the dirt here. For this project guys, I would say to this point at the moment here we're approximately 200 hours into it. Sounds like a lot. It is just myself doing this. It's all been hand dug with a shovel. No heavy machinery or anything like that. Originally project started out guys as a single 12-foot Intex pool that we had in this hole. Now again, of course, what we wanted to do is to kind of redo this, make it a lot bigger, which is what we have done now. Pretty pleased with the progress so far. Lots to do still though, of course. Need to really get on sort of Facebook Marketplace and these sorts of places to look for free rock. Now I won't be buying any rock. I can't really see the point in buying rock when it's free. But with that said, it just means keep my eye out on the marketplace for any kind of, free ones that are near me. So we'll just take a step back, guys, just to kind of give you the edging here. As you can see now, quite nicely tucked in to the old slabs. Now, of course, all this slab work here, guys, is going to be redone, as I say, just for now to kind of tidy up the space, get a real idea of what it potentially will look like once we get, everything redone around it now. But just pleased to say, guys, we got the pool in, back pond as well. Everything seems to be holding water, so really happy with that. Obviously the wet test here is still ongoing. Going to probably leave this full for perhaps even the winter now. In spring I'm going to be draining it and of course start decorating with the rocks and things like that. Of course, stay tuned guys. We'll be kind of continuously working on this project as we go. Lots more updates here as well, and we'll also be going around the garden taking a look at some of the plants as well for you guys. But of course, if you're not subscribed already, drop us a subscribe and a like, and we'll see you on the next one.